second practical is based on attributes. Now question number 1 is now in front of you. So I hope you have written all theory of attributes and you have gone through the notes and everything. I think I have already uploaded the notes of tabulation in your JC, consistency of the data in your JC. I don't know how many are gone through, and if you have any questions you can put on, either you can contact me, okay, or you can put your message on JC. So we'll do the practical based on attributes. Basically it is 2 attributes and 3 attributes, and that is basically the practical number 2. So let us start the practical. Question number is now is in front of you. So I told you purchase one calculator. I hope I got few responses that they were asking is that calculator is same. I think 20% have purchased their practical. But if you are not purchased, please purchase it now because it is important. So maybe in coming week we are going to conduct one session on calculator, how to use calculator. So you must have your own calculator. So
Hello,
that,
sir.
yes,
Sir, I think your voice is not clear, or even I am only facing the problem, or everyone is facing same problem.
Sir, your voice is not clear for me also.
Yes, sir.
everybody can't hear. Now it is audible properly.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the question number 1. I mean, it is a size for same. But I hope you can able to see the screen and you can read at least the problem. Can you read the problem? Are you able to read the problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, oh. So we'll see the solution of this one. I hope such a type of problem we have seen in the uh, lecture time also, but still we can repeat once again, no problem. So now this session will be quite interaction session. It is not going to be everything will be not given on the screen. I hope since we are doing the practical, everybody have their book and pen and everything, right? So if you don't have, take at least one page very fast. Not one page. It is required more than 3-4 pages. So you can have any rough books and pen, if possible, calculator, because in cell phone I think you are watching the thing, so it is not possible to like do the calculation on cell phone. So you can use any, maybe any other cell phone, or if you have a normal calculator or any type of calculator you can use. So we have a group of 200 students who are studying with respect to success in examinations, and out of 120 boys, 20 passed the examination. So you can see initially when you read a few lines, you can understand they are talking about something like you can say examination. So they are talking about something like results in examination. So if you want, you can put some title for that. It is not necessary, but if it is possible, you can put uh, title. So this is the basically outcome of results, right? Outcome of results in an examination of particular college. So they have not mentioned college, so we will not consider the college. So this is success is an examination, right? We can say outcome of examination. So, but the mainly we are focusing on type of variable. So if, and you can see there is a two concepts, boys and past, right? So if I'm defining A, let me use other pen. If I'm using A, so my A will be what? A is equal to, I can say, boys, right? So corresponding absence become girls. Similarly, what about B? Can anyone? What will be B?
Pass.
Pass.
Success in examination
Pass
or
in
pass.
examination or passed. And similarly, beta become fail.
Fail.
Yeah. So that means now we are knowing the attributes A and B. So we can define contingency table. Contingency table, or I can write 2 cross 2 contingency table. 2 cross 2 contingency table. So you can draw 2 cross 2 contingency table. Okay. Because for drawing me, it will take time to write, because drawing shape will be taking so much time for me. So I will just write the alphabet and you can write it. So we need to create a b, a alpha total, b beta total, and rest you can fill. Rest you can fill. So we have a group of 200 students, right? So where it will be
Total.
total. So it will be,
Grand total. Total of
yeah.
total.
The total will be 200. And studied examination with respect to success in examination. Out of 120 boys, 120 will be here, right? And 80 passed. Passed means B, and passed means passed in examination, right? Passed in examination means they are saying out. See, this statement is not completed. It is saying out of these 80 passed means out of these, so it will be 80 will come, right? And then we have of the girl 10 failed. Of the girl 10 failed. So where will be 10?
Beta. Alpha beta.
Alphabet. Absolutely right. So 10 will come here. And I told you, okay, I told you that see our rule is same. Once we have calculated the values, you need to first calculate remaining value using the remaining concept. So it is 80. This is 40. This is 50, and this is 150, and this is going to be 70.
70.
Yes. Okay. So now what we have to do? So we have represented the information in a table and comment on the type of association. We have to comment on the type of association. Whether is there is a association between gender and success is examination. Is there is a relation between gender, male, boys and girls is gender, right? And success in examination. So is there is a relation between is there is a relation between gender and success in examination. So we need to check the type of association. Is there is a positive association or negative association or independent? Okay. So I think I have given the for these concepts. I have given the already. I have given the notes for this. So if you just go through that, I will just I'm just going to show the screen for this. So we can. I think yeah, this one. So to check the association, we have these three conditions. If you have remember, so we need to just go for this instead of going quiz and sorry, Yule's coefficient and coefficient of colligations. We have to go by the this method. So you need to just check for some. What is that? We need to write down left hand side AB. So AB will be what? 80, and we need to calculate this. You can call left hand side. Sorry, I will use another pen. So we have bracketed AB, which is 8080, which you can call left hand side, and then bracketed A into bracketed B upon n. So this we need to calculate. So bracketed A is addition of total 120, bracketed B total 200. So you need to calculate this using calculator, and if you use this calculations, uh, can you tell me the answer? Anyone?
90.
90.
90, 90.
So the answer is 90. And now you have to check the association, whether AB will be positive or AB will be negative and so on. So AB will be lesser than bracketed A into bracketed B upon n, right? So you can see whether, okay, so I can say that two attributes A and B are negatively associated, okay. So attributes are negative, so instead of writing attributes, you write the name of attributes, right? That is gender and let me just run out this. And success in an examination are negatively associated. Is that clear? One example. First example. Everybody can understand first example or any questions? Go to
क्या
chat
क्वेश्चन था
box.
समझ में आ गया.
If you can go, if you can able to write in chat box, you can write chat box. Otherwise, you can unmute because this is session for practical. So I'm not muting anyone because anyone can speak and they can share their ideas. Yes, any question? So, so we can proceed. Okay. Now, the question number 2, 3 is based on the question number 1. और क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में आपको वेरिएबल्स का नाम नहीं दिया है. They have given A and B. So you can use the attributes A and B are negatively associated, positively associated, or independent. So based on the condition, you have to just see. Okay. So what you have to do now, I'm not going to do the second one, which you have to just complete it very fast using the data. So data is given to you. Okay. So I'm just going to paste the questions on your screen. I will give. I think it will. The we have to just do this much thing, which will not take more than 2 minutes for each क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. तो 3 क्वेश्चंस है, मतलब 6 मिनट्स में आपका सब तीनों सब क्वेश्चंस हो जाना चाहिए. I hope it will not take even more than 2 minutes if you are expert in the calculation. Okay, so I'm just pasting the question number 2. Let's see what will be the response for other students. I know some of students cannot able to do it fast, but better you can practice for this. So now question number 2 is now in front of you. You can start reading and start solving. I may give the answers in between. So start with the question number 1. Start with the question number 1. So question number 1 is, we need to check whether the association or not. take down question number 1 answer. So I will ask anyone. Okay, I will ask anyone. So be ready with anyone. You need to take down AB and given here. Calculate bracketed A, bracketed B. It's already there. Now calculate this quantity. Calculate this is already given here 30. So you have to multiply 60 into 200 divided by 400 and check whether it is coming equal or not. You can post your answer on chat box. If you've done it, you can post your answer on chat box. So I think the first question will be the two attributes are independent. Because if you multiply by 200 into 60, it's become 12,000. 12,000 divided by 400, it's going to be 30, right? So your answer is going to be left hand side and right hand side both are equal. So that's why it is independent. Try for second one. So AB is given here. AB is given 75 bracketed A bracketed B upon N. How much it is? Tell me answer for this. How much this is? Yeah. So Kunal has given all answers. 1, 2, 3. So that's very nice.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And bracketed A bracketed B upon N, which is turns out to be, if you just do the multiplication, this into, I don't have any calculator, so you need to use using calculator. Is that answer is 60?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So answer is 60, and we can see that this quantity is lesser than this quantity. That means the answer is negatively associated.
Positively associated, no?
Right. Uh, Sorry, 75 is greater, na? So positively, right. If it is less, then it is negative. Right. This is positively associated. And see the third one. The third one. AB is 6. So this is 6. And bracketed A, bracketed B upon N. So 20 into 40, which is
8.
800.
8.
Yeah, 8. So this answer will turns out to be 8, and we can see 6 is lesser than 8. That means answer will be negatively associated. So that is all very easy type of questions where you need to just interpret the data.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah, correct, correct. So some I can say very naughty childrens are also there, so they can always good. Okay. Now we can go to the question number 3. I'm just sharing the question number 3. So now let's do it. Question number 3. So again, it will not take much time, so you can just finish it. Just finish it fast and let me know the answer for this. Let me know the answer, because again, I will just write positive, negative, or else. Solution. Oh, it is not line. solution. Fine. Yes, you have A, but can you see here? We have given these information, and you need to check whether A and B are independent or positively or negative. But we have not given B here, right? So what you do here, you create a table like this.
Contingency table one.
Yes, you can create a table like this. So you need to just create a table A, or you can first write contingency table. So it is 2 cross 2 contingency table. See, wherever required, you create table. Don't instead of going to be confused, better you can create a table. So the creating table not take much time. But suppose if something is happen wrong, see it may happen to anyone. Okay, it may happen to anyone. So instead of going to be wrong, better you can create a table. So we have A alpha total, B beta total. So A is given 490, AB is given 294, alpha is given 570, and alpha B is given 380. So rest you can calculate. Because I am interested on to calculate the rest. So this you can calculate. So what will be total? This is 4, this is 7, this is 674, and we have again the total of this, which is 1060. So you can just do the subtraction, we get this quantity. So this is
386.
sorry, how much this quantity?
386.
No, 490 minus 294. I think it is 196. Just check it out. Just check it and let me know whether this is some addition or subtraction if you use using with the help of calculator. And if we add this, this is 0, this is 9. Okay. Is this right?
Yes, sir.
So this will be 386.
4.
6
6. 6.
yeah,
6.
6, yeah. And now you have all the data. You can check this AB. So you have A and B. So you have AB is equal to 294. Calculate A, calculate B divided by N. So this is can so use these values and let me know that this answer for this how much it is. So what will be answer for this? So this is 490 into 674 divided by 1060. How much?
311.5.
311.565. Take up to always 4 digits. Answer will be always 4 digits.
5660.
5660.
60.
So take always answer up to 4 digits if possible.
660.
660.
660.
Okay, 660. 660. So you can see this quantity is lesser than this quantity. Therefore, again there is a negative. You don't write like this, which I have given directly negative. You are supposed to write attributes A and B are negatively associated. See, don't copy as it is. जैसे यहाँ पे लिखा है वैसे नहीं लिखना है आपको. The thing which I am solving on the screen, it is just for your head. It is not exactly same thing you have to copy on the practical. So those students have not attended this practical, tell your friends, maybe they are yours friend only. Tell them do not copy as it is. We have to write all descriptive part behind that. Okay, and if you just write like this, you have to rewrite again in the examination. Okay, so make sure that don't write it as it is. As we have written the question number 1, same tendency we have to follow this one. Left hand side, right hand side, then it is less, then write the conclusion. At least ये 4 steps आपका आना चाहिए. यहाँ पे एक लाइन में आ गया आंसर. नहीं, this is not correct way of writing. This is just for your hint. Okay, so that you can verify at least your answer, because we don't have any other source to verify. That's why I'm giving the source where you can easy to at least do the calculation and you can verify your answer. Okay, so this I will going to upload on the GC very soon, so we can at least you can verify your answers using calculator. Okay, let's move to let's move to the next example. So this is the negatively associated question number 4. So again, question number 4, we have so many questions. So I will going to solve only one question, so that rest you can do the calculation part. Okay.
सर
Yes, बोलिए बेटा.
सेकंड एग्जाम्पल बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है ना?
Sorry,
सेकंड एग्जाम्पल में टेबल नहीं बनाना है ना?
सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल में कंटीजेंसी टेबल बोल रहे हैं आप?
हाँ
नहीं बेटा, बिकॉज इसमें सब आपको वैल्यूज दे दिया है ना. ब्रैकेटेड ए दे दिया, ब्रैकेटेड बी दे दिया, ए भी दे दिया, सब अपने पास है ना. मतलब इधर क्या करना है, क्वेश्चन अगर आप रीड करोगे तो क्या बोला है यहाँ पे, स्टेट द टाइप ऑफ एसोसिएशन. देखो, सबसे पहले बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज क्या होता है, वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द प्रॉब्लम. हियर एक्चुअली वी आर नॉट सपोज टू डू एनी कैलकुलेशन. मुझे क्वेश्चंस देखना है एंड मुझे सिंपली बोलना है कि एसोसिएशन है कि नहीं है. क्योंकि दे आर नॉट सेइंग कि यू डिराइव एंड डू द कैलकुलेशन. दे आर सेइंग स्टेट. स्टेट मतलब क्या, क्वेश्चंस पढ़ा आंसर दिया, क्वेश्चंस पढ़ा आंसर दिया. बट इनिशियली व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, अभी देखो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आपको एमसीक्यू टाइप में पूछता है. ऐसे टाइप, इवन दिस सच टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आई हैव गिवन इन एमसीक्यू. तो जो बच्चों ने एमसीक्यू परफॉर्म किया है, दे हैव जस्ट गॉन थ्रू सब. maybe these type of questions I have given to get the idea how these MCQ type questions will be asked in your examination. Okay, तो इसमें क्या होता है, अगर आपको एक्चुअल डेटा नहीं दिया, ए नहीं दिया, तो आपको टेबल बना के निकालना पड़ेगा. तो वो टेबल दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है, यू कैन डू रफली इन एमसीक्यू इन एग्जामिनेशन. आई एम टेलिंग यू. बट अगर यहाँ पे सपोज अभी ये प्रॉब्लम क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में देखो आप, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में यू डोंट हैव द डेटा फॉर बी, तो इसलिए हमने इधर कंटीजेंसी टेबल बनाया और वहां से हमने बी निकाला. राइट. तो क्या होता है एग्जामिनेशन में, कभी भी ना आपको ऐसे प्रॉब्लम देंगे तो आप रफ पे करने का और बी का वैल्यू निकालने का, बिकॉज उधर अपने को ज्यादा कैलकुलेशन नहीं चाहिए, उधर अपने को रिजल्ट चाहिए कि नेगेटिव है, पॉजिटिव है कि इंडिपेंडेंट. आर यू गेटिंग माय प्रॉब्लम? Yes, is that clear?
यस सर.
Okay, so let's go to the question number 4, and out of that I will going to solve only question number 1 का एक ही part, rest you work out. So in all there are 4 questions, I think there are total 4 questions are there in question number 4. Out of that I am just taking one, because rest all will be based on the same concepts, so you can take down those concepts one by one. I'm going to give the answers for this so that you can So in question number 4, again if you see, calculate the Ewell's coefficient of association and coefficient of colligation. मतलब मुझे क्या यहाँ पे निकालना है, Q निकालना है और Y निकालना है. I think I will show you the theory of that. See, we need to calculate this one, Ewell's coefficient of association, which is Q, and coefficient of colligation, which is Y. तो इसके लिए क्या एक्चुअली हमको चाहिए था, if you have remember,
Sir, I have not.
so I have
Sir, I have not have call.
so I have created this table for that. Okay, and we have to just do the multiplications and we get the value of Q. Similarly, we have for coefficient of colligations also. It is same expressions, but only thing is that you have to take a square root everywhere. That we can easy to understand, no problem at all. So just a minute, clicking. Okay, so this is the questions. Now here you can define some attributes because we have not mentioned A and B. So you need to define A and B. So what is your A here? If you read the problem, A will be here. The data relates to literacy and employment in a group. मतलब they are talking about literate, illiterate or employment. Okay. So A I can say literacy or illiteracy, or literate I can say. A will be your literate and alpha become illiterate. Similarly, B become
Employed.
employed and beta become unemployed. And now based on this, you now here you can see without table also you can go with that. But better to remove the confusion, you can create table, no problem. See, wherever you feel you can create table, you can create. So there is no harm for calculating table. Contingency table. So we have B, we have beta, we have total, we have A, we have alpha, we have a total. So now we have literate and employed. So literate employed matlab AB. AB is given 20. Then illiterate employed. Illiterate बोलेगा तो alpha and employed बोलेगा तो B. So alpha B. So alpha B. So this is given to me how much? 180. See, this is the way you can always take care. Then illiterate and unemployed. So illiterate and unemployed matlab alpha beta, which is 20. And what else given? And we have given group of 300 person. The total दिया. So if we have this quantity, you can take this is 200, and once we have this one, this is 100. Sorry, need to use another pen. This is going to be 200. This is going to be 100. This is going to be 80. See, basically, I am interested only this portion. One can calculate this also for you can say getting good knowledge. But I am interested only this part. इधर कुछ गड़बड़ नहीं होना चाहिए ये portion में, because I know Q निकालने के लिए I have answer. What will be my formula for this? This into this minus this into this divided by this into this into means cross का जो भी होगा ना उसका अपने को multiplication करना. So Q is equal to this is my AB. So AB into this one alpha beta and alpha beta minus A beta alpha b. Whole thing divided by same thing. I'm just writing same thing here with plus sign. And now further you can just substitute the value 20 into 20 minus 180 into 80, whole thing divided by same thing 20 into 20 minus 180 into 80 with plus sign. And next step you can get multiply using calculator which you have, and this is 400 minus 14400, so 400 and then you can use calculator and you can take down the answer, which is 0.94592. Just check whether you are getting this answer or not using calculator.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But we need to interpret our answer. The question is not completed. Interpret your result.
एडमिशन चालू है
So whenever there is a this statement, interpret your results, make sure that you are supposed to be write the conclusion. Okay, you are supposed to be write the
अच्छा
conclusion. Very important.
चला गया तुमको ये रूम में देंगे अपना नंबर लॉगिन करो तेरा नंबर मोबाइल वो जियो टीवी पे
Nikita, you can just mute yourself because some noise is coming from your background. Yeah. So whenever you whenever you want to talk, you can unmute and you can talk, and again you can mute yourself because otherwise other will get disturbed. Okay. Okay. Fine. So I hope you have calculated this and you got the same answer. But here still our answer is not completed. Here we need to write the conclusion, that is what I call interpretation. So see, whenever there is there may be asking whether you write the conclusion or not, but you are supposed to be right, which is very important. Interpret your result, or sometime they will say comment on it. Okay, comment on it. So we have to always comment on it. What will be the conclusion? So we know the answer for this. So whenever my q lies between -1 to 0, I know two attributes, that is now here we will not write two attributes. Here what will write? Literacy and employment, because here I know the attributes, right? So therefore literacy and employment are negatively associated. This is your interpretation part. So whenever they are asking interpretation or conclusion or comment, you will always write this statement at the end. Whenever it is not asking, still you write it up. But अगर पूछा है और आपने नहीं लिखा है, then you will be lose the mark. But if it is not asked, if you if you have written but you will not get the more marks, इतना marks से पूरा मिलेगा. So this is the very important which can always take. Okay. So there is any difficulty here in this problem? Let me know.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Yes. So similarly now you can calculate for y. तो जो भी वैल्यूज आपने कैलकुलेट किया है ना, देखो फॉर्मूले में अभी आप फॉर्मूला अपने हिसाब से लिखो. तो every time I will not going to write the formula because it is all alphabet, is taking lot of time for me. तो जो भी ऊपर आपने ये लिखा है फिर से लिखो और सब जगह स्क्वायर रूट दीजिए. So put everywhere square root. This minus square root, whole thing divided by same thing minus same thing plus square root. That means if need to square root 400 का square root, 14,400 square root and so on, लेके आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा y का. And let me know the answer for y. तो एक स्टेप छोड़ के आप दोबारा आंसर फिर से लिख सकते हैं. तो ऐसा नहीं करने का कि आप इसका स्क्वायर रूट ले लीजिए, नहीं, दिस इज रॉन्ग. ये इंडिविजुअल स्क्वायर रूट लेना है और फिर इसका आंसर्स जो भी आएगा लिखना है. So let me know the answer for this and what could be the conclusion. Yeah, Kavita Chaurasia is there. Yes, Kavita Chaurasia is there. Kavita, can you hear me? Hello. Kavita, can you hear me? Yes, speak. Can you speak? Just can you tell me the value of this y? Are you calculating? I hope you are calculating the answers. Yeah. Okay. Kunal Parab is there. Kunal Parab. Kunal is there. Kunal Singh. Any Kunal is there out of these two? Kunal Parab, Kunal Singh. Anyone? Yeah, so both Kunal will be marked as absent today. In today's, yeah, so you should say na something. I'm asking some questions. Have you completed question number 4 का part 1? कुणाल सिंह,
हाँ सर, यस सर.
बेटा आप क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रहे हो?
सर कनेक्शन प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है थोड़ा सा.
कनेक्शन सुनाई नहीं पड़ रहा है. सुनाई नहीं.
सर.
हाँ,
ब्रेक हो रहा है.
स्क्रीन देख सकते हो?
हाँ सर, दिख रहा है.
हाँ, तो स्क्रीन में मैंने प्रॉब्लम दिया है, सॉल्व कर सकते हो?
हाँ सर.
नहीं, मुझे नहीं लग रहा है आप कुछ सॉल्व कर रहे हो. श्योर मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
सर
मैं 100% बोल रहा हूँ कि आप कुछ सॉल्व नहीं कर रहे हो, आप केवल स्क्रीन पे बैठ के देख रहे हो. राइट?
सर कर रहा हूँ मैं, सर मैं दिखा सकता हूँ।
दिखा सकते हो पक्का?
यस सर। सर ये कौन सा क्वेश्चन है सर जो इसका मुझे आंसर मिला नहीं लेकिन?
मैं वही तो पूछ रहा हूँ आपसे मैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का पार्ट 1 है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 देख सकते हो आप?
नहीं सर, मुझे यहाँ पे क्या दिख रहा है, Q इज ग्रेटर देन -1 लेस देन 0।
कौन सा, कहाँ देख रहे हो आप? Q इज ग्रेटर देन, कहाँ है Q इज ग्रेटर देन?
हाँ सर, यही तो सॉल्व कर रहा था मैं, पर मुझे 0.3 ऐसा आंसर आ रहा था।
किसका क्वेश्चन, कौन सा क्वेश्चन
माइनस
सॉल्व कर रहे हो आप?
यही सर, फोर्थ का फर्स्ट वाला ना?
हाँ, फोर्थ का फर्स्ट वाला Q निकाले आपने?
क्या सर?
Q का
क्यों
आंसर
निकाला?
Q
यस
Q Q
यस यस।
Q को क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग?
क्यू सर याद।
Be serious, you are not studying better.
यस सर यस सर।
Seriously, you are not studying. See, I'm just picking the random students and just asking the what will be the basic questions, what is Q, और आप
सर आई
Q
एम
का
डूइंग द सम, इट्स
Q,
नॉट सर
sorry,
सर आई एम डूइंग ऑल द सम व्हाटएवर यू आर टीचिंग। सर आई
yeah,
हैव डन
that's
ऑल।
okay, but you should know ना what is Q बेटा।
यस सर।
तो Q का मतलब होता है यूल्स कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एसोसिएशन, मतलब आप
सर
पढ़ते नहीं
इसका
है
तो
ना।
नोटेशन वाई भी है ना सर?
हाँ,
इसका नोटेशन तो वाई है ना, कैपिटल वाई।
नहीं, कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ कोलिगेशन y होता है।
ओ
तो देखो, थोड़ा थियरी पढ़ो, सब थियरी दिया है कैनवास में, इसमें
यस सर
गूगल क्लासरूम में।
यस सर, आई सी।
ओके, एंड आपने क्विज किया है दोनों? नहीं किया है?
सर किया है, फर्स्ट वाला किया है।
अच्छा, तो सेकंड वाला थियरी पढ़ो फिर क्विज करो। स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज मेक नोट दैट you do not perform quiz number 2 before gone through all the materials which is available in GC. Just sake of complete quiz is not going to help in your examination, I'm telling you plainly. Okay, so be clear your concepts. मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा by heart करो things, concepts clear करो आप, concepts clear करके फिर quiz perform करो। सी क्या होता है मालूम है, कंसेप्ट में क्या होता है, मान लो अगर मैं 10 क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूँ तो एक या दो क्वेश्चंस रॉन्ग होगा ना आपका, क्योंकि कंसेप्ट क्लियर है आपका, तो यू मे गो विथ कंसेप्ट डायरेक्टली। अभी थियरी में बोलूंगा तो थियरी कैन नॉट बाय हार्ट, यू कैन नॉट एबल टू राइट द थियरी, बट कंसेप्चुअल थिंग्स तो आपको आना चाहिए। जैसे कि अगर मैंने यही प्रॉब्लम दिया है एंड इफ आई आस्क यू कि डिपेंडेंट है इंडिपेंडेंट है, तो इसका आंसर आपको आना चाहिए। इसका आंसर आप तो यू नीड टू जस्ट क्रिएट अ टेबल, और बाकी सब तो कैलकुलेटर करेगा, अपने को कुछ लिखना भी नहीं है। कैलकुलेटर में एंट्री क्या करना है, 20 इंटू 20 माइनस 180 इंटू 80 डिवाइडेड बाई 20 इंटू 20 प्लस 180 इंटू 80। कैलकुलेटर जो आंसर देगा वो आंसर मैच करने का, और आंसर पे क्लिक कर देने का, फिनिश। तो ऐसे तो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग में अगर प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, मतलब योर concept is not clear. So first you clear concepts, then only you can go for quiz, otherwise it has no meaning to attempt quiz. Okay, so just keep that point very important. So I think most of them have calculated the answer for y. Rest 3 I'm leaving on you, you can just work on that and let me know the answer for that. So this is answer is coming minus 0.7142. Please write it down your conclusions, again I'm leaving for you. So again minus 1 is less than y less than q, sorry, less than 0. So again the conclusion is going to be same. So this is the way we have to do the problem based on Yule's coefficient and coefficient of colligation. So there are one or two problem in your quiz about q and y. So do it correctly. देखो अभी क्या होता है, कभी कभी आंसर आपको नियर नहीं होगा, मतलब 0.94 के बदले 0.945 इतना ही मिलेगा, कभी कभी 9 3 मिलेगा। तो डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज। आप अभी मैं अगर मैं दो ऑप्शन दूंगा आपको, मतलब अभी फॉर एग्जांपल आपको एग्जाम में आपने इसका कैलकुलेशन किया और इसका आंसर मुझे 0.94 मिल रहा है, बट ये आंसर तो है ही नहीं, तो क्या करोगे आप? तो आपको इसका आंसर नहीं है तो आप नियर आंसर ढूंढो इसका नियर आंसर। तो 0.92 है, 0.93 है, तो क्या सिलेक्ट करोगे आप? जस्ट टेल मी व्हाट यू गोइंग टू सिलेक्ट। 0.9, right? Nobody is going to select 0.92. So if answer is not there, don't worry about this. Whatever near answer is that you try to select. That is the very important thing we can always take care. So similarly, you can do the question number 2, 3, 4. Okay, the same. It is going to be same. So you can just uh, finish it that, and we can move to the next question. Or anyone have solved the problem? Question number 4. So I may give the answer for this so that you can very yes. So I think somebody solved. So let me give the answer for this, and later on you can check it. So let me just copy this question. So this is the question number 2. So again here you need to create a table. You need to create a table properly, everything. Okay. So this is not 1, this is 2. So you just take it, question number 2. So again you need to just create a table for this, and I'm just giving answer for this. You can just check your answers. This is question number 2, and you have a solution here. So you can assume a and alpha again here. तो a क्या assume करेंगे यहाँ पे हम लोग?
Husband.
A will be
Intelligent husband. Intelligent husband. Intelligent husband.
yes, A will be intelligent husband, or alpha become
Dull husband.
dull husband. Okay. Or you can intelligent husband with dull wife. और कैसे assume करेंगे? Intelligent husband will be A, then I think it will be, because if you assume boy, A will be boy, then B will be girl. म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव इवेंट बेटा हम लोग लेता है कभी भी ना, तो उसके हिसाब से म्यूचुअली क्या होना चाहिए? इफ आई एम सेइंग इंटेलिजेंट हस्बैंड, सो डल वाइफ होना चाहिए ना?
Yes, sir.
आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट एवरीबॉडी?
Yes, sir.
या सो अपने को वैसा लेना है। तो कैसे डिफाइन करोगे आप?
A intelligent husband
हाँ,
and alpha intelligent wife.
Dull wife. Maybe.
डल हस्बैंड रहना चाहिए।
डल हस्बैंड होगा ना सर, अल्फा तो नेगेटिव हो जाता है, उसका उल्टा हो जाता है।
दोनों तरह से जा सकते हैं सर। आई थिंक
सर ए को इंटेलिजेंट रखो और अल्फा को डल रखो, बी को वाइफ रखो और बीटा को ये हस्बैंड रखो, हो जाएगा।
अच्छा, मतलब ये वेरिएबल के हिसाब से अपने को लेना पड़ेगा, ऐसा है क्या?
हाँ सर।
ओके। सो अगर मैं ए डिफाइन करता हूँ इंटेलिजेंट हस्बैंड ए, और डल हस्बैंड अल्फा, So if I'm defining A will be intelligent husband, and alpha become dull husband. Similarly, B become intelligent wife and beta become dull wife. Is that going to be matched with this or not? Let me see. So intelligent husband with इंटेलिजेंट वाइफ मतलब ए बी का वैल्यू दिया है 50 तो 50. Are you getting the point? Intelligent husband will dull wife. The intelligent husband with dull wife मतलब A बीटा दिया है 200. A बीटा is 200. Dull husband means alpha with intelligent wife B. Alpha B is given 100. Then dull husband is this one alpha beta given. but सबका आंसर आपको दिया हुआ है, आपको जस्ट वैल्यू नहीं कैलकुलेट करना है q और y का वैल्यू. So let me know what is the value of q and let me know what is the value of y. Yes, anyone have calculated I think. So let me know the answer. Rest you can just use table and we can simplify. Yes, anyone? Tell me the value of q.
minus 0.1428.
Minus 0.1428. So again there is a negative association, right? What about y?
Y equals minus 0.1156.
0.1156.
1156.
Yes, anyone who has calculated again the answer for this so that you can verify your answers. Is that correct? So all data is given to here. You need to just substitute. So this first one is your, I may say, intelligent husband with the intelligent. And this is the value of your AB. This is the value of
सर
intelligent.
0.8 आएगा ना
किसका? Y?
इसका क्यू क्यू 0.086.
No, just check once again. See, I'm just
0.860.
I'm just writing the value, the attributes here. You can just do the cross multiplication and let me know the answer. So, an intelligent husband means A and dull wife matlab beta. So you have given A beta, the value this. The last one is alpha beta, and so obvious this is going to be dull husband matlab alpha B. So first into last, second into third. मल्टीप्लाई करो, बीच में माइनस साइन डालो न्यूमरेटर में और डिनोमिनेटर में प्लस साइन डालो और मुझे आंसर बोलो. See, you need to just identify and you have to put everything on calculator. कुछ भी कैलकुलेशन करने की जरूरत नहीं है, सब कुछ कैलकुलेटर देगा. लेकिन प्रॉब्लम वही है कि अपने को कैलकुलेटर यूज करने नहीं आता है. ओके, तो हम लोग देखो नेक्स्ट टाइम तक अगर आपके पास कैलकुलेटर आ जाता है तो आई विल टीच यू हाउ टू यूज कैलकुलेटर. ओके, so hopefully the next time onward you may bring your calculator. Okay, because it is necessary for us to use calculator. Is anyone have calculated question number 2 ka answers which is matching? So I'll paste question number 3 so that students can work out. So this question is I think straightforward. No calculation is much. So you have given the data for tea drinker, not tea drinker versus smoker, non-smoker, right? And you need to just get understand these things. So the data is ready-made. What you have to do, this into this, and do the calculation, and tell me the answer for this. See, somewhere the answer is very straightforward. We need to
सर
just
0.0717 आएगा
किसका
y का वैल्यू सर
ये वैल्यू
0.0717 यस
okay.
सर
So
मिस्टेक हुआ
this
था
is
यस
yeah.
सर
So minus
0.0717
1717.
9 यस सर
Take always up to 4 digits possible. They are 4 or 5. Please let me know. Do calculation, students. I
सर
hope you
जीरो
are.
सर 0.0717 वन बीच में नहीं रहेगा फर्स्ट वाला
अच्छा 717.
यस सर
अच्छा मतलब 1 नहीं आना चाहिए. So 0.0717. Is that everybody getting same answer? Let me see the chat box. You can put your answer in chat box also. So answer is getting 0.01779. ठीक है 0. Fine, fine. Yeah. So let me know the answer for question number 3 ka Q and Y both. Amit Pal is there. Amit Pal. Yeah. Can you tell me the value of Y or Q? Okay. So as per participants, the Q answer is 0.6853. Just check this out. Yeah. And Y ka answer is 0.3965. Let me know whether this is both are right or wrong. Nilesh Kumar Pandey. Nilesh Kumar Pandey is there. Yes, Nilesh. Nilesh, can you hear me, Nilesh? Is that answer is matching, Nilesh? Y का आंसर मैच हो रहा है? नीलेश कुमार पांडे. Try the last one now. 2 minutes. I'm giving the 2 minutes for the last one. Can able to solve in 2 minutes, I think, because now you are all experts. Interesting. So this is the last questions of fourth part. Fourth questions का last part है. Let me know the answer for this. So let me know the answer. If we have completed, then let me know the answer. So I'm waiting for the students who can able to complete. So can anyone send me the answer? What will be the answer for this?
So Q is equal to minus 0.5685
Minus 0.5685
and Y equals minus 0.3119.
Make sure that I am not writing anywhere the conclusion, but you are supposed to write the conclusion everywhere.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So everything will be not given on the screen, because otherwise we will be reliable on the screen only. So that's why I'm just giving the hint for how you can verify your answers. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Now next question is based on, again it is different type of questions.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, बोलिए बेटा.
सर
हाँ बोलिए. Yes.
एट्रीब्यूट समझ में नहीं आया मुझे,
क्या नहीं समझा?
मतलब कैसे लेना, आंसर नहीं आया मुझे उसका।
क्या
मैंने
वो
किया।
कुछ क्या नहीं समझा वो पूछिए.
सर एट्रीब्यूट क्या लेंगे इसमें?
एट्रीब्यूट क्या लेंगे?
सर एट्रीब्यूट ही मतलब ए को और बी को कैसे लेंगे?
सॉरी, आपकी आवाज थोड़ा ब्रेक हो रही है.
सर मींस आई वांट टू नो सर
एट्रीब्यूट
एट्रीब्यूट कैसा लेंगे, ए और
क्वेश्चन.
अल्फा, वही समझ में नहीं
अच्छा,
आया सर।
इसको क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर्थ में,
इसको क्या लेंगे?
फोर्थ में बोल रहे हैं आप?
यस सर।
अच्छा,
हाँ
okay. So in A, there are 1482% locality exposed to small pox. That it's one type of you can say disease where 368 is attacked. Means A लेना है आपको attack और अल्फा लेना है नॉन अटैक. मतलब क्या होता है, जैसे कि अभी कोरोना चल रहा है तो कोरोना किसको पकड़ लिया, मतलब उसको अटैक कर दिया. समझ रहे बेटा? तो A विल बी अटैक एंड अल्फा विल बी नॉन अटैक. और B क्या लेना है, 343 हैड वैक्सीनेटेड, मतलब उसको मेडिसिन दिया है, उसका दवा निकला है, उसको मेडिसिन दिया है, वैक्सीनेटेड किया है उसको, मतलब सब मेडिसिन दिया है उसको. तो B होगा आपका वैक्सीनेटेड एंड बीटा होगा नॉट वैक्सीनेटेड. समझ रहे? हेलो,
यस सर।
अंडरस्टूड? ए और अल्फा कैसे लेना है?
हाँ सर।
ए मेरा अटैक होगा. अटैक मतलब क्या होता है कि मतलब उसको वो पर्टिकुलर डिसीज पकड़ लिया. तो ए मेरा हो गया अटैक और बी मेरा हो गया नॉन अटैक. सिमिलरली सॉरी, ए विल बी अटैक, अल्फा विल बी नॉन अटैक, बी विल बी वैक्सीनेटेड मतलब उसको मेडिसिन दिया है और बीटा बिकम नॉट वैक्सीनेटेड. And based on that you can create a table and you can able to get the value of q and y. Okay, let us
एक्चुअली
हाँ बोलिए बेटा.
सर मैंने एट्रीब्यूट जो आपने बोला वही लिया, लेकिन मुझे तो भी नहीं आया टेबल से भी.
अरे आपका आवाज पूरा
So
ब्रेक
can you
हुआ.
explain that some?
आपका आवाज पूरा ब्रेक हुआ. आपने क्या बोला कुछ सुनाई नहीं पड़ा.
ओके सर. सर एट्रीब्यूट वही लिया जो आपने बताया था,
हाँ,
लेकिन टेबल से, लेकिन सर मुझे वैल्यू मतलब टोटल में रॉन्ग आ रहा है सर.
ऐसा कैसा रॉन्ग आना चाहिए?
फिर
रॉन्ग तो
आगे
नहीं है. ठीक है, मैं इधर टेबल एक्चुअली दे देता हूँ आपको. मैं ए अल्फा बी बीटा, तो ए में डिफाइन कर रहा हूँ अटैक, तो मेरे पास है 1, दिस इज टोटल, ए टोटल. तो टोटल मेरे पास है टोटल 1482%, 1428% आर द. एक मिनट, ओ शिट,